Debt can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can take control of your finances and achieve financial freedom. In this video, I'm going to share the ultimate budgeting hack that helped me pay off $20,000 in debt faster than I ever imagined. This is not about extreme frugality or cutting out everything you enjoy. Instead, it's about a smart, practical system that anyone can apply to their financial situation. The mindset shift. Why most budgets fail. Before diving into the hack, it's important to understand why most people struggle with budgeting. Traditional budgeting methods often fail because they feel restrictive and hard to maintain. Many people start strong, but give up after a few months when they feel deprived or overwhelmed by unexpected expenses. The key is not just tracking where your money goes, but creating a flexible system that works with your lifestyle rather than against it. The hack, the reverse. Budgeting system, the system that changed everything for me, is what I call the reverse budgeting system. Instead of tracking every single expense in detail, I focused on automating savings and debt payments first, then living off the remainder. Here's how it works step by step. Define your essentials and goals. List all fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, insurance, and minimum debt payments. Set a clear goal for debt payoff with a realistic timeline. Automate your debt payments and savings. Before spending on anything else, allocate a fixed amount toward your debt and savings. Set up automatic transfers on payday to avoid the temptation of spending first. Live on the remainder using the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, rent, food, transportation, and minimum debt payments, 30% for wants, entertainment, dining out, and hobbies, 20% for extra debt payments and savings. If your debt is urgent, consider shifting more from the wants category toward extra payments. Why this works eliminates decision fatigue. You don't have to track every coffee or grocery item manually. Once savings and debt payments are automated, you only manage what's left. Prevents lifestyle inflation. Since your savings and debt payments are deducted first, you won't accidentally overspend and push debt repayment aside. Creates predictability. Unlike strict budgets that constantly need adjustments, this system works consistently, even when unexpected expenses arise. Bonus strategies that accelerated my debt payoff. Negotiating lower interest rates. I called my credit card companies and lenders to request lower interest rates, which saved me hundreds in extra payments. Side hustles for extra cash. I took on small freelance gigs and side jobs, dedicating all extra income toward my debt. The cash-only challenge. For non-essentials, I withdrew a set amount in cash each week. Once it was gone, I stopped spending. This simple trick helped me avoid unnecessary purchases. Using found money wisely. Any tax refunds, bonuses, or unexpected money went straight to my debt instead of being spent impulsively. Final results and takeaways. By consistently applying this budgeting method, I was able to pay off my $20,000 debt in record time while still enjoying my life. The key to financial success isn't about restriction. It's about strategy and intentional spending. If you're struggling with debt, give this method a try and see how much progress you can make in just a few months. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a budgeting system like this, or if you have any other tips that worked for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical money strategies that help you take control of your financial future.